Hey Cam, uh, we're on Unit 6, and I thought I would try a couple of things because normally we would have a lab today, but since we can't do the lab, we're going to do a virtual lab. All right, so today we are on this guy. If you remember, AB plus C yields or produces reacts to form AC plus B. What type of reaction is that? Well, yes, it's a single replacement reaction. So in this case, AB compound is a situation where A would rather be with C than it would be with B. So it kind of ditches B and hooks up with C, kind of like a fickle boyfriend or a fickle girlfriend. We've always said that there's a hierarchy of dancers, and this analogy goes back to like you show up at MORP or prom or homecoming and you bring date B, but you notice that C is a better dancer and you'd rather dance with C. So you dance with C and leave B off to go off to find somebody else or leave them by themselves, as it were. So what we're going to do today is you're going to be doing a lab in which we're going to watch this video on YouTube, and I'll try to remember to post a link. If not, take a screenshot here and type this long thing in. And in the lab, the person uses aluminum. We're going to ignore the aluminum solutions. We on the lab use hydrochloric acid as one of our solutions, but the person on the video does not do that. So what you're going to have to do is it's going to be this guy here, this video here, and as it plays, you'll see this person is adding copper. Oops, it's pausing. It's adding copper to the well plate, and they've got all their solutions in there. Um, and that's basically what you'd be doing in lab today. Whoa. And it looks kind of like this. I just took a screenshot from there, and there's all these solutions: copper nitrate, magnesium nitrate, zinc nitrate. Here's the aluminum nitrate and silver nitrate. And then they're putting the stuff in. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your book to page 31, and you are going to follow along. That's 30. Here's 31. And then you're going to record, and you have to figure out which ones are which on hers, and you're going to find out where a reaction happens. And where the reaction happens, you're going to say yes or no. And I'll give you a hint in advance. For instance, this reaction here, zinc metal and zinc nitrate, you will put an N for no. So when the N shows up, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go through and you're going to utilize your data and you're going to answer these questions. Uh, then when you're done, you can check your answers on Schoology because the key will be there on Schoology, and you can check out what the answers should be. All right. So do the virtual lab and it'll be helpful, and then check your answers.